Grace Garden is where I live and work, but it's also another name for the big beautiful garden that we all share. But today we're going to be putting a flower arrangement together. These are the flowers I'm working with today. Lovely bright summer colors. I hope you enjoy our time today. Please give this video a like, and if you're not subscribed, it means the world to me. Please subscribe. I think I have the camera situated so that you can see the flowers I'm using and the vase that I'm putting them in, and they won't get in the way of each other. So I'm gonna have to reach across to grab the flowers. And I have a little flouncy outfit on, but that's because I'm enjoying my day in the garden. We're going to start with some eucalyptus. Again, this is an arrangement that does not have a lot of greens in it, but I like eucalyptus and sunflowers together. And my neighbors are making a little bit of noise, so I'm probably gonna have to just put some music in over this. That's not my dog that's barking, by the way. She's being a good girl right now. Look at these hydrangeas. You see how they're green in the middle? They're natural. I love that. That's amazing. I was thinking of trying to do a live and put flowers together right in front of you. Sort of like I'm doing now. Would you want me to do that? This is going to be a fast and easy arrangement. I've made this arrangement many, many times. And it's a very beautiful, stately, and masculine arrangement. And it's great for summer. I'm looking through my sunflowers for any that have a long neck. And when I say that, I don't know if there's a better term for it, but when they're bent like this, that distance right there, sometimes they're long. Like this one is pretty long. So I want to stand that more toward the center of the vase when I put them in. Actually, this one's ugly. That one's ugly. See that? I don't want to put that in someone's flowers, so we're not going to use that one. So the first ones I want to put in are the ones that have that neck. And then I'm going to take the ones here that are facing up a little bit. So those would be the next ones I put in. So that, and I'm trying to make it so you're looking at the front. it will give off moisture and help the flower dry out faster, so you don't want to have leaves on the sunflowers. I want the bigger flowers toward the bottom of the arrangement, and the smaller flowers, these two, towards the top of the arrangement. There really isn't a front to this one, but that's good. That's the way it's supposed to be. Fill in with the roses. I'm not going to take, I'm going to leave as much of the rose foliage on the roses themselves, because for one thing, rose foliage lasts good, long time in the vase. And there is really no foliage in this arrangement, so I'm going to leave as much of the rose foliage on, just to add a tiny touch of foliage, because you need the right amount of foliage, even in an arrangement that's got none. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed our time together. Please make sure you're subscribed.